Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Analytics. Google.com with the account that has the GA4 property. Once signed in, make sure the correct property appears at the top left. Switch properties now if needed. Confirm you have editor or analyst access so you can view reports and modify comparisons. Once done, navigate directly to the Reports menu on the left. Don't pause on admin settings now. This gets you into the interface where page view metrics live, which saves time and prevents access issues later. You now go to Reports, then Engagement, and open Pages and Screens. This is the only built-in report that lists page view counts by default. Once there, set your date range in the top right. Make sure to include enough history to spot trends. Next, add a filter for host name or page path if you only want specific pages. If you need %change, enable comparisons. If metrics aren't visible, expand the metric selector and add views or event count for the page view event. Finish by refining the view with secondary dimensions like page title or source, so you understand who viewed the page and how. Once the table looks right, export the data using the Export button. Choose CSV or Google Sheets for sharing. If numbers seem off, make sure your data stream has the G tag or GA4 tag correctly installed and no unwanted filters are excluding traffic. If you still see zeros, use Debug View or Real-Time to verify events are firing. This is the key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.